Sunrise bleeding in on the carpet. Body language telling you something. All I want is you. I really love it. Waking up so hard all in the morning. Sunrise bleeding in. Body language telling you something good.
Summer left my heart feeling bitter. Summer left my heart feeling cold. Summer left me longing for the winter. Summer makes me wanna go home, 'cause home is where the heart is. Home is where the heart is. And home for me is wherever you are. Home is where my heart is. Home is where the heart is. And all the roads lead me back to you. Lead me back to you. Summer got my heart feeling lonely. Summer got my heart feeling broken. Summer got me feeling for affection. Summer got me longing for you, 'cause home is where the heart is. Home is where the heart is. And home for me is wherever you are. Home is where my heart is. Home is where the heart is. And all the roads lead me back to you.
Love is what it is or what it ain't. Whatever it is, it got me thinking about the past and the future with you. What we might or might not end up doing. Take you to the grave, you know your secrets are safe with me. Call me anytime, you know I'll answer on the first ring. I ain't ashamed to admit I love you more than you love me. And man, fuck it, what's love anyways? It's a solid thing, yeah. Take you to the grave, you know your secrets are safe with me. Call me anytime, you know I'll answer on the first ring. Just don't stop calling me. Stop calling me, yeah. I cannot pretend like I want this to end. Heart over my head for love, I do it all again. Hold up, wait, but what's love anyways? If we mess up, then that's okay. I cannot pretend like I want this to end. Love you, but I wish I could have loved you as a friend. Hold up, wait, but what's love anyways? If we mess up, then that's okay. Promises, yeah, broken promises. And there he's going now. He let go of my heart again. I'm never slowing down, cause it's harder to start again than be lonely and sleep by myself. I won't do it, so show me the poisons. Which one am I choosing? I'll never regret it, I only learn lessons. Now my heart is a weapon, let's wait for the judge with the sentence. They say time don't apply to love. It took me to the 25th hour to get why that even apply to us. I cannot pretend like I want this to end. Heart over my head for love, I do it all again. Hold up, but what's love anyways? If we mess up, then that's okay. I cannot pretend like I want this to end. Love you, but I wish I could have loved you as a friend. Hold up, wait. Well, what's love anyways? Long as I loved you, it's okay.